Okay, this knife cost me 299 rupees in Amazon and it got delivered in one single day. It's called a Wizbiz or something. It's supposed to be a Kiridashi knife. All it said is it was a high carbon knife. It didn't mention what steel it was, but it's written D2 here. I don't know if it's really D2 or what steel it is. I didn't expect this to be this big. I thought it's gonna be this size. Okay, it's this big. Let's see how it is. It's not bad for the price. I don't know anything about the steel or how sharp it is, how easily it will sharpen and all that. At first impressions, for 300 rupees, it's not bad. This paper is a little. It's been outside. It's been near the window for a few days, so the paper is not crisp. It's a little soft because of all the moisture in the air. It's not cutting paper. I'll sharpen this and I'll see if this. I'm not gonna return it because it's just 300 rupees. I'll keep it. It's not bad. And it nicely fits into this. Not many people will understand that it is a knife. It's nice. I'll make another video if I'm sharpening this, and I'll see you guys later.